Hey, Instagram, how are you? I hope you all are doing great. Before I begin, I would like to tell you this video is all about how to get swipe ups in your Instagram stories without getting 10,000 followers. You would be amazed, you would be thinking that how could be possible? You can go for the Instagram ads or Facebook ads for getting that swipe up, or you can go to another way, that is gaining 10,000 followers. But I just bring something from you. I just not invented anything. It's just that I just observe as in I was using Instagram usually like people use, and I saw IGTV. I just upload one video in IGTV, and in that video I added my own any link. For example, it can be like from YouTube, it can be from website, it can be another app link. It happened what? When I go to my Instagram story, I got an option that I can add a link of an IGTV. So what we can do is that we got a watch more swipe up, which will help me to redirect my traffic to IGTV, and then from IGTV I can redirect my traffic to my main source or main video where I wanted to land the people. So here it is.
Creating a IGTV channel is very easy task. All you have to do is go to your Instagram home, and then you can see IGTV icon. Touch on it or press on it. You will be able to create IGTV channel in just 3 clicks. Create, next, create. That's it, all done. Your IGTV channel is ready. Now you are totally ready to upload any video you want. So for example, I uploaded my video like I wrote how to get Instagram swipe ups without 10,000 followers. Yes, you read right, etc. I just filled the description and title. I just want to drive this traffic to my YouTube channel. So what I did, I just gone into my YouTube channel and took out any video I want, and then copied the link from my YouTube channel and then pasted over here. After uploaded, you can see that like it's uploading is 90%, and then when it gets 100%, you will be able to see that you have uploaded your first video in IGTV channel. And after that, it takes time, wait for 1 minute, then go back to your Instagram stories, add any photo, like relevant photo related to that IGTV channel or IGTV video, and then add IGTV channel video by clicking on the or touching on the link. You will be able to see that from any another account, that you can easily now see watch more video with the IGTV icon.
It's totally depend on you that how you convert this technique or this way into a big and great strategy. All the best. Till then, take care. Bye bye.